The specs for OPPO's upcoming flagship, the Find X9 Pro, have just been fully leaked. It's expected to launch in China this October with a potential global rollout. The big surprise lies in its telephoto camera, featuring a 200-megapixel HP90 ISO sensor with 3x optical zoom. Oddly, rumors suggest OPPO might drop the successful dual telephoto lens strategy with 3x and 6x digital zoom. Choosing to use just a single telephoto camera offers them the advantage of a brighter aperture, which can be utilized at higher zoom levels. However, this choice clearly reduces the detail level in the photos. This is the reason they might opt for Samsung's newest generation 200-megapixel sensor. Still, I'm uncertain if the digital zoom will be able to match the quality of the optical zoom, particularly when approaching zoom levels close to 30 times. OPPO may also possibly do this to further differentiate the Pro model from the Ultra model. Perhaps in the Ultra model, they might continue with the strategy of having two telephoto lenses, while in the Pro model, they might not follow this approach. This would be unfortunate news from my perspective. The other cameras are also top tier, featuring a 50-megapixel Sony Lithia 828 as the main sensor. For the ultra-wide-angle camera, they use the Samsung ISOCELL JN5 sensor, which also has 50 megapixels. Additionally, the front-facing camera is 50 megapixels and includes autofocus. Another of his strong points would be his gigantic 7550 mAh battery, with support for 80 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging. In performance, he would use MediaTek's Dimensity 9500 chip, which is sure to be spectacular. It should be remembered that already with the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chip, the OPPO Find X8 Pro of the current generation outperformed the iPhone in several of the tests. In addition, this new device would arrive with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and up to 512 gigabytes of storage. The price is anticipated to be comparable to the OPPO Find X8 Pro. However, we must wait patiently because, as you know, a leak is not the same as an official presentation. So, let's hold off for the confirmed details. Meanwhile, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about OPPO's decision to alter its strategy by switching from two telephoto lenses to just one?